and welcome to Unboxing Canada. Today we have another box. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so first of all, this so it doesn't show on video, because one of the feedbacks is that your address is shown on the video. Okay, this is not the right thing. It must be something so big. What it is? Let's see. All right. Okay, so we got it here. It's opened. Would that be gold? Would that be, what is that? Okay. This is like power. Alright, that's the first thing. Let's keep this aside. And this is, looks like a stand. MK4 stand, whatever. And this is, belongs to the stand too. Okay, let's take this out. Let's go deep in to get what is this. Okay, this is, ooh, a screen. Wow, that's an LG screen. And all right, so it has an HDMI. Okay, power is here. This is for the stand. I can show it close. It has a button here at the bottom. What is that button for? I think it belongs to the stand itself. Okay, let's see what else. Is there anything else that comes in here? Just a lot of filters. Back here. Okay, let's go ahead and set it up. So, for sure this will be like this. All right, so, okay. I think we need a screwdriver.
It's ready to go.
So it is ready now, fixed, assembled, ready to go. Don't forget, guys, to share, subscribe, like, so we continue to do unboxing and learn more of this how to. Thank you.